Hi, this is Jeremy Reeder. I'm going to pick a lock while riding a bicycle. Never tried that before, but here goes. This is the lock. It's a Korean doorknob lock cylinder, 5-pin tumbler cylinder inside this 3D printed housing that makes it more convenient to hold. And here's the bike, and here are my tools. That's Martha Stewart hotel card for the Paris Las Vegas that don't need anymore. And here's another teensy little Slim Jim type thing. But what we'll use for picking this lock, I have this assortment of picks and tension wrenches. I'm going to use this Sandman rake, and I think I'll use this. I think this is a 50/1000 inch thick flat bar tension wrench. So I'll use that. Now I'll just go get my stuff on and get on the bike. I'm ready to try lock picking on a bicycle for the first time. Here's the bicycle. Here are the tools that I'm going to use. All right, here goes. Where did it go? Okay, try it again. Oh, I did pick it. Didn't realize I had picked it right as the wrench flew out. So, mission accomplished.